Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm getting around to these chalked wood blocks and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to decorate it. Keep watching. Now I just took my mini buffalo plaid transfer and put it out over these boards, which I had painted beforehand in a black chalk paint. Don't mix it up with paste or ink, it's paint. Now I am chalking with the bright white on the boards. Kind of give it that buffalo check look. So for those who are not familiar, see? Chalk paste goes on wet, it dries hard. You can't rub it off, but you can get it off with water. So it is semi-permanent. It's more of the temporary. We also have ink, and that's more permanent for material and ceramics, things that you can heat set. So you just put on the paste, squeegee it on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar. And then you clean the transfers later because you can use these over and over again. And I have used this one quite a bit. And because it's paste, like I said, if you take a wipe or a damp towel, you can wipe off if you went over the lines. Now I took my block and I just took a hand sander, distressed around the edges. I wanted it a little bit more distressed. Took just a damp cloth and wiped it off. And then I decorated it. I just glued these 3-inch chips onto the board that I already chalked, put some ribbon on it, and it was good to go. There they all are. More minis. I love this, it's fun. All right guys, you can check my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. I also have a VIP group. I'll put the links below.